In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude Code using Anthropic API key. We'll walk through connecting the Claude Code CLI to your Anthropic account so it can use your API key. Start by opening your terminal on Mac OS or Linux or Command Prompt or PowerShell on Windows. In the window that opens, type the command Claude and press Enter. That launches Claude Code. If your system doesn't recognize the command, install the CLI first and then return to this step. With Claude Code running, type to log in and press Enter. You'll see three sign-in choices: a Claude account with a subscription, an Anthropic console account, or a third-party platform. For this setup, choose the Anthropic console account and press Enter. This option links directly to your Anthropic developer console. Next, Claude Code will try to open your browser for authorization so it can create and use an API key on your behalf. On most systems, especially when using Command Prompt, the browser should pop open automatically. If you're in Windows PowerShell, it may not launch. If it doesn't, look back at the terminal. You'll see a message that says the browser didn't open and provides a URL you can copy. Highlight that URL, copy it, paste it into your web browser's address bar, and press Enter. In the browser, you'll land on a page stating that Claude Code would like to connect to your Anthropic account. It will note that your account may be used to generate API keys, access your profile, and upload files on your behalf. Review the details, then click Approve to continue. You'll then be shown a one-time authentication code. Copy that code carefully. Return to your terminal, and when prompted beneath the link, paste the authentication code and press Enter. Claude Code will validate the code and complete the connection. From this point on, the CLI will use your Anthropic API access for requests so you can start coding, chatting, and running tools without manually pasting any keys. A few quick tips as you finish up. Keep your terminal open during your session. Never share authentication codes or API keys publicly. And if the link expires or the page times out, simply run the login again to generate a fresh sign-in. If your default browser is restricted, copy the URL into a different browser. That's it. You're connected and ready to use Claude Code with your Anthropic API.